What I'm about to share with you changed the way that I see mean and hateful comments forever. Trigger warning, this is a disturbing story. In April of 2023, my husband and I flew down to Arizona to go to a friend's wedding. He dropped me off at a nail salon and went to go pick up a present, and I got my nails done. While I was in the middle of getting my nails done, I got a phone call from my sister, and that made me nervous because my sister was watching our kids for the weekend while we were gone. She had a doula training that day, so my dad was going to watch the kids for a few hours. So I paused the services and answered the phone. My sister says, "Ray, there's an emergency." And my heart dropped because I just knew this was going to be really, really bad. She said, "I think Dad is dead." And I'll never forget the way that I gasped. And I'm sitting here in a nail salon full of, 15, 20 other people. And I want to scream. I want to fall on the floor. I don't know what to do. She tells me that the paramedics are on their way. She's headed home. The kids are upstairs in a bedroom, and that she will let me know, but they're going to try to revive him. Now, my dad was my best friend, and it was really hard for me to process all of this information. The kids are home alone with my dad's dead body in the living room, and the paramedics are either there or on their way to try to revive him. Like, this was just the most stressful situation. And in that nail salon, the women said, "What happened?" And I was like, this is so not something I want to talk about. But I said, "I'm pretty sure my dad is dead." I'm not someone that likes to ask for prayers on social media, but I posted on my Facebook status about it and said basically what had happened, prayers are needed. And this is the part that changed everything for me. Several people commented saying, "She's obviously looking for attention. Why aren't you helping? Why aren't you doing something? Your dad is dying and you thought to go to Facebook and post instead." I couldn't even respond, and I ultimately just deleted the post a few hours later because I was absolutely shocked that even in the toughest situations, people are going to leave mean, hurtful, hateful comments. And really and truly, it changed my outlook on everything. The kind of people that are willing to leave those types of comments are always going to, whether you play big or small, they're just hateful. Even if you just lost a family member or are going through the toughest time of your life. So create, post. Who cares what those people think? If anything, be grateful that they comment so that you can block them and get that kind of toxic energy completely out of your life. Hope this helps.